You've seen our teaser videos, now you see the RovaVac. This is the innovation the cleaning industry has been waiting for worldwide. Vacuuming changed. Battery vacuuming with a 2-hour runtime. And it's really powerful. A very powerful brush. And the vacuum airflow is really impressive. And don't forget the full HEPA filtration provided by the easily replaceable dust bags. And on top of the 2-hour runtime, if you wish, you can very simply remove the batteries for charging. Replace it with another one, you can keep going. 2.5 hours charging. And it's robust. No risk of breaking a foot release because there isn't one. Simply pull back to use and push up to store. And a convenient carry handle located on the back, making it very easy to transport between sites or into vehicles. And so to recap, 2-hour runtime, 2.5-hour charge, robust, powerful brush, powerful suction, HEPA filtration. The only thing is, have you ordered your RovaVac?